In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Pay. By the end, you'll know exactly how to delete the Google Pay service from your account and permanently close your payments profile, so you won't be able to use it for purchases or transfers going forward. Start by opening Google Pay in your web browser while signed into the account you want to update. Once you're on the Google Pay home screen, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture. This opens the account menu that links to your broader Google settings. From that menu, choose Manage Your Google Account. This takes you to the main account hub where all your privacy, data, and security controls live. Along the left side, select the Data and Privacy tab. This is where Google groups tools that help you move, download, or remove information tied to your account. Scroll down until you find the section called Download or Delete Your Data. This area is useful if you want a copy of your payment history or receipts before you remove anything. If you'd like a backup, you can download your data first. Otherwise, continue with the deletion path. Click Delete a Google service. Because this change affects a core service on your account, Google will ask you to verify it's really you. Enter your account password to continue. This extra step protects your data and prevents accidental removals. After verification, you'll see a list of Google services linked to your account. Locate Google Pay in that list and click the delete icon next to it. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to permanently close your Google Payments profile. Read each confirmation carefully. Closing your payments profile will remove saved payment methods and stop you from using Google Pay with this account. It may also impact subscriptions, pending transactions, or refunds that rely on that profile. If you have any active payments or unresolved issues, consider addressing those first, or note that refunds may be delayed until a new profile is created. Once you confirm, Google begins processing the closure. Some records may be retained for legal or regulatory reasons, but you won't be able to use Google Pay unless you set up a new payments profile in the future. That's it. Your Google Pay service is removed from the account. If the option appears grayed out or you're redirected, double check your sign in, your region, and any business profiles you might manage. Otherwise, you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently remove Google Pay from your account.